Want to learn how to download and sign up for Facebook Lite app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. The initial process of creating an account on Facebook Lite is having the app itself. For that, go to your App Store or Play Store, just like me, and then tap on the Search for Apps and Games option on the top. Enter here Facebook Lite. This will take you to the official page of the Facebook Lite itself. Now tap on Install on the top right corner if you haven't installed and downloaded it yet. You can see that I have already installed and downloaded it simultaneously. So I'm going to tap on Open option on the top right corner. So just by doing it, you can see that I'm onto the very first section of the Facebook Lite app. So to create an account, tap on Create New Account with this green background. You can see that they will help us create a new account in a few easy steps. Tap on Next. Now you need to enter your first name and then your last name. I'm going to keep my name and then tap on Next below. You need to allow Facebook Lite to make and manage phone calls. Tap on Allow. So I'm going to keep my particular number just like this. Either you can sign up with email as well. I want to sign up with email, so I'm going to tap on Sign up with email on the bottom just below Next and keep my email address. You can also do the same. When you're done, tap on Next below. Now you need to choose your date of birth. First of all, starting with the month, I'm going to choose my own month and then the birth date and then a birth year. When you're done, tap on Next below. Now you need to choose your gender. So I'm going to tap on female. For that, tap on this circle on the right corner next to your particular gender. Now you can create a password with at least 6 characters. It should be something others couldn't guess. So make sure to make it stronger and then tap on Next below. Now you can tap on Sign Up. You can see that just by doing it, you're almost set to create an account for yourself. Now you have been given an option to save your login info if you want to. Otherwise, you can tap on Not Now on the bottom right corner to deny it. You can see that you should receive an email with the code within 3 minutes. So to confirm your email address, you should go there and check your email. But first of all, we can add a photo as well. So I'm going to tap on Add Photo below and then allow Facebook Lite to use my phone storage. This let us share from our camera roll and enables other features for photos and videos. So I'm going to tap on Allow on the bottom right. I'm going to tap on Allow again and choose one of the picture from the gallery. You can do of your own. So I'm going to choose a suitable picture for myself and then tap on Done on the bottom. You can see that it's being processed. And yes, just by doing it, now we're given an option to choose and find our friends. So you can see that Facebook is better with friends and you can see who is on Facebook by continuously uploading your contacts. And we can let them know who we want to add as friends. So tap on Turn On if you want to import your contacts. So if you want to add them, you can choose them and add them simultaneously. But if you want to skip them, you can tap on the Skip option on the top right corner. So just by doing it, you can see that you have successfully created an account on Facebook Lite app. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.